In a world saturated with synthetic products, there's a growing movement towards natural beauty. People are seeking alternatives to harsh chemicals and embracing the power of nature. This shift towards natural makeup and skincare is driven by a desire for healthier, more sustainable options. Join us as we delve into the world of DIY beauty, where you can create your own products using simple, readily available ingredients. This journey is about more than just beauty. It's about connecting with nature and understanding the ingredients you put on your skin. It's about creating products that are not only good for you, but also gentle on our planet. So let's embark on this exciting adventure of crafting our own natural beauty essentials. Switching to natural makeup and skincare offers a plethora of benefits. Firstly, natural ingredients are gentler on the skin, reducing the risk of irritation and allergic reactions. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that nourish and protect your skin. Commercial products often contain harsh chemicals, artificial fragrances, and preservatives that can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness, breakouts, and premature aging. By opting for natural alternatives, you provide your skin with the nourishment it needs to thrive. Moreover, choosing natural products aligns with a sustainable lifestyle. You reduce your exposure to harmful chemicals and contribute to a healthier planet by opting for biodegradable and environmentally friendly ingredients. It's a win-win situation for both your skin and the environment. Creating your own natural makeup and skincare products is easier than you might think. With a few simple ingredients and some basic tools, you can whip up a range of beauty essentials right in your kitchen. Let's start with a few easy recipes that are perfect for beginners: a nourishing lip balm, a revitalizing face mask, and a gentle cleanser. These recipes use readily available ingredients like coconut oil, honey, beeswax, and essential oils, which are known for their skin-loving properties. This simple lip balm recipe will leave your lips feeling soft and hydrated. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 tablespoon beeswax, 1 teaspoon honey, and a few drops of your favorite essential oil, if you like. Instructions: combine coconut oil and beeswax in a heat-safe bowl. Create a makeshift double boiler by placing the bowl over a pot of simmering water. Stir until the ingredients are fully melted and combined. Remove from heat and stir in honey and essential oil. Pour the mixture into a small container, like an empty lip balm tube or a tin. Allow it to cool and solidify before use. This lip balm is perfect for dry, chapped lips, providing long-lasting moisture and protection. Alright, let's dive into a face mask that's a real treat for your skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. So here's what you'll need: 1 tablespoon of honey, half a mashed avocado, and 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt. Now, in a bowl, combine the honey, mashed avocado, and yogurt. Give it a good mix until you form a smooth paste. Next, apply the mask evenly to your face, but be sure to avoid the eye area. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, and finally, rinse it off with lukewarm water and gently pat your skin dry. You see, honey is a natural humectant, which means it attracts and retains moisture. Avocado, on the other hand, nourishes your skin while yogurt gently exfoliates. Give it a try and feel the difference. Section 6 Cleanser, Gentle Purity from the Earth. This gentle cleanser effectively removes makeup and impurities without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon coconut oil, half a teaspoon castor oil. Instructions: in a small bowl, combine coconut oil and castor oil. Gently massage the mixture onto your face in circular motions. Wet a washcloth with warm water and gently wipe away the cleanser. Rinse your face with water and pat dry. Coconut oil effectively removes makeup and impurities, while castor oil is known for its cleansing properties. Section 7. Sourcing your ingredients, a guide to natural treasures. Finding high-quality ingredients is crucial for creating effective and enjoyable DIY beauty products. Look for organic, unrefined ingredients whenever possible to ensure you're using the purest forms. Local health food stores, farmers markets, and online retailers specializing in natural and organic products are excellent sources for your DIY beauty needs. Remember to store your ingredients properly in airtight containers to maintain their freshness and potency. Section 8. Essential tools for your DIY beauty journey. You don't need a fancy laboratory to create your own natural beauty products. A few basic tools are all you need to get started. These include heat-safe bowls for melting and mixing ingredients, spoons and whisks for stirring, measuring spoons and cups for accurate measurements, containers for storing your finished products. Investing in a double boiler is also helpful for melting ingredients gently and evenly. Section 9. Conclusion. Embrace the natural glow. Making your own natural makeup and skincare products is a rewarding experience that allows you to take control of your beauty routine and prioritize your well-being. By embracing natural ingredients, you nourish your skin from the inside out, reduce your environmental impact, and enjoy the satisfaction of creating something beautiful with your own hands. So gather your ingredients, unleash your inner chemist, and embark on this exciting journey of discovering the power of natural beauty. Your skin will thank you for it.